Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set up and run basic Spring Boot app on AWS Ec2 machine. To begin with, so I have created a few basic steps so we can follow and start with this with the app build and deployment. So let's start. First of all, we need to go on the Spring Boot IO initializer website and download one Spring Boot app. So what we will do, we need to go and we need to add this dependency, and we need to type as Spring Boot app. Click here and Spring web. So I have already selected, so that's why it's not coming up. So we need to select this, and we can name our app as it like name AWS demo. So we can select this pre-configured versions, and we are going via Maven jar, and Java version is 17. So we need to generate one zip file. So it will be downloaded in our downloads folder. So once it is downloaded, we need to copy it and save it somewhere, and unzip that file as like I have did. So I have unzipped it, and it is open. So once unzip is done, we need to import our folder or project. So we can open our folder using this browse directory. We can select that for project where we have accepted. Post that, it will open like this. So once it is open, so what we have to add extra here to run our application, just a REST controller to allow any HTTP request to be to be intercepted by our app, and we can add one method as a like this to intercept all the requests which are coming. So it is we are just returning this. So we can you have added this, we can test our application using a run. So I have already ran it. So we can run it AWS demo application as it is, and you can test it in a browser like this. So if you open and enter, it will come as hello as we have written this. So once all once your application is tested, so we need to go to the next step. So to run our application, we need to have a jar, runnable jar. So to have that jar, we have to run a build on Maven build on our application. So we can do that. You need to right click on your app and run as Maven build. Once Maven build is completed, you need to run. So it is failing for me. Let's see why it is failing. It is failing because we have not given any goal. So let's right click again and go on Maven will run as Maven will and see goal mvm stop and then run. Let's see if complete. It is not. So let me debug. I'm pausing this recording. So let me try it once again. Maybe I am giving a wrong command. Generate a jar. Right click, run as Indian install. So we can build our application using two options. When we right click, there are two options. One is run as Maven build and one is Ambient install. When we click on that, it will build our application as and download it as a jar. So that's what we need. So once it is success, we can go in our application folder in the target location. We will see it, the jar. So this jar will be we will use to run it on AWS Ec2 machine. So we are done with the application testing and we have created a jar also. So now if let's go to the AWS console, launch AWS EC2 machine. So make sure you all have AWS EC2 free tier or AWS EC2 AWS access. So what we will do, we will open our AWS console, and we will sign in. So you can see when we click AWS EC2, we need to go on instances. So I've already created and installed one instance. For now, to show you, I will launch one more instance. My web server, AWS demo. I will name it as AWS demo. We will keep it in Amazon Linux as default. So we will see. You can keep. I have already created one key value. So you can also create one key value and download a key at your local. It will require when you try to access the AWS EC2. So we will click on launch instance. Right? Let's see. Meanwhile, yeah, it started. So let's see the all instances. So we can see it is pending when it is running. So we will see the its status as running. So to access our AWS EC2 machine, we will require this key. Putty requires a key. So I will show you. So once it will be like this. Putty. So we need to download a putty, and also we need to create a AWS EC2 key value. That is very easy. You can create in AWS. So I can see it is running. So what I will do, I will click on this and see it is our public address. This is our public address. This will we will use to access. So let's see our notepad. What is our next step? So we need to download a putty, and you can access it by then you can access the shipping instance. Once done, download putty is done. You need to run. You need to access your EC2 machine. Once the putty installation is done, let me open a putty. So I can see putty is already open. Let me open a new session. So here we need to add our public IP address. So public is IPv4 address is this. We can enter it. So we need to add a SSH key, which is this. We can browse the putty key. So I have already downloaded. You can also create using AWS and open and see if you are able to see. So you can accept this and login is you see default user is for a Linux is DC2-user. So it will that's this shows that you are able to access. So now you need to go to now you need to check what is the current user. So we should have a so let's go back to root location. cd.com ls sudo su. So let's see how it works. So let's go to lockdown. Let's go to the root folder. So once you are able to access this issue person, so you need to upload your jar. So what is your next step? So when all these are done, so now you get access. So now you need to upload your jar in AWS S3 folder. So search S3 in your AWS account and see. So for that, I have already created one bucket. So you can also create one bucket. So it is very easy. Just create bucket. It will. So once bucket creation is done, so you need to go in your this. So you need to upload your jar in your bucket. So as we have already created one jar, so our current jar is this. So we can simply upload it here. So I am simply upload it. It will take some time to upload. So once it is uploaded, we need to download this jar in your Liner in your EC2 machine. How we can do that? We just need to make our jar as public. Then we need to type this command, which is wget controller wget. So we need to run this command on our Linux machine. It will download the jar which we have uploaded. As you can see, it is getting uploaded. So let's go to our Linux machine and type wget and upload one jar which we have already, which are getting uploaded right now. Okay, once upload is done, we need to click on your jar which you have uploaded. So make it as public. So that's how it can be accessible on AWS EC2 machine. So once this is done, so you need to click here and copy your object URL. And once the copy is done, you need to go back to your EC2 and type wget and your jar will download. You will see ls here. You will be able to see your jar. Now we have already downloaded the jar. So you need to see before you run this jar, you need to have Java. So does that if you have Java or not? Java run this command Java version. So it is not there. So to have that installed, you need to run this command. So this command will update all the required packages in your Linux machine. Enter. Yeah, it updated all. Now you need to install Java with this command on your Linux machine. Let's type Y. So let's test if we have Java or not. As we can see, Java is installed. We can see Java is there, the 17 version. So once Java is done, so now we need to have open a security group to access our EC2 machine via browser so that you can run your application on access. If you have that configured, let's go to one EC2 machine which we have created. So this one we have created for a demo. Click on that and click on security. So you need to have an inbound, you need to have edit your inbound tool. To edit to so to allow access via browser, we need to have one more tool created. So how we can do it? We can click on our tool. We can show open all traffic. We can allow all traffic, and we can use Postman and fields. Not edit inbound rules now anywhere. Okay, save it. Now let's run our application on AWS Ec2 machine and access the application on our browser. How we can access our application? So I'll type ls. You can be able to see your jar. Now run your application. Java -jar and your jar and enter. Let's see if it is able to run or not. I see Tomcat started and it is running on 8080. Let's see if we are able to access our application or not. Let's go on our EC2, click on this and then open in details. Now you need to open your for public address. Open a new tab, paste it here, column, here 80, it is installed 0804 and hit enter. See, you are able to access our AWS Ec2. We are able to create one simple basic app, a Spring Boot app, install it in AWS Ec2 and access it. So you can create app in just a few minutes. Just you need some, you need to do little configuration and you are all set. Let me know if you have any doubt.